I've had some limited success with my music. I do know an editor over at the Steve Wilkos show. So I've got over like 300 placements with them, but never really gotten the option to collect royalties, do this on the legit. I was kind of a ghostwriter. So that was like kind of paying my bills, but, never making these serious relationships with serious, contenders in this game. So now I finally feel like I took the time to revamp my website based on your advice, used Wix, made it all sparkle. I was on Verb, switched over from them because it wasn't quite enough for me. So I did that, took those extra steps, branded myself, created a logo, and I actually put together, I don't know if I was unclear, I put together 8 albums for licensing to go to approach a library with. And I told them these 2 are most applicable to you because I see you guys do tension, et cetera, et cetera. So they started by checking out my website because everything was just so well packaged together. They sent me an email within 30 minutes saying, yes, we're interested, but we're going to send you a contract, but can you send us what is applicable to this contract? Because they don't want to waste their time checking out something that's maybe not exclusive. But when I sent back that all those tracks were exclusively available, they immediately sent me back with all of the names filled out. And it really just made me feel like, it's not all for nothing. It's you put in the time and effort and somebody's going to notice it and take you seriously.
I was sharing with you too that was exactly my feeling when I first got started in the licensing business. Before I was doing this, I was, in bands and I was going to studios till 4 a.m, hoping I could get a feature on somebody's album or artist or track or whatever. And it just was, I was spinning my wheels. I was getting no money. I was paying money, with gas and time and energy, and I was losing sleep. And just nothing was like working. I just wasn't finding the sort of path of least resistance. And when I finally saw that there was a library that wanted to sign my music, that wanted to pay me, that wanted to get me out there and start helping me collect those royalties and get those placements, it really was that sense of like, it gave me that confidence, that boost of, oh, okay, I can actually be a professional doing this.